Unboxing time. 2 days ago, I received a box.
The box.
Not this box, but a box from iFixit. Now, this video is not sponsored in any way. I wanted a new toolkit, and iFixit wrote on Twitter they have various products on B stock, just with some packaging damage. So this is fine for me. I don't care about the packaging. So let's open it up. The Manta kit, which I ordered here, usually costs $69.99. Funny number. Due to the packaging damage, they went down to $49.99. So it's basically, just because there is a little damage on the package, a €20 discount, which is huge. Let's have a look at what the damage is, which is pretty unimportant, honestly. This is just the surrounding package. Important for me is that just all the bits are complete, which they are. So we have 112 bits, a 4mm driver, and a 1/4 inch driver. So plenty of tools to work with. Why do you need so many bits? Seriously, every damn product out there has different screws. Torx, Phillips, just regulars, you know. And this set even has special bits for iPhone, Nintendo, and even a SIM card removal bit, which is pretty funny. So, buy the stuff. It is good. And if you want to save money, search for their B stock. Yeah. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.